What's up, guys? I've been wondering what's going on right now, and we got into a little, not big, little car accident today. So here's the car over, and it's kind of like, see the bumper's kind of broken right there, right? You can see a dent there. I'll go to the front in a second. Got some dents. There's no damage in the back. There's nothing wrong with the back. Little dent over there. You can't see it. Some white stuff on the wheels. Coming in the front. Here's a front. It's a small, not huge. Just showing you guys it. You see like holes and stuff in it. That's a little bit of rip off paint. The hood's jacked. There's a little dent in the hood. This is damage. Is there any damage on the back side or something? Check. You do have some roof damage. That's the thing I was talking about. Oh, we do have some back damage. Here's the roof damage right here. Another one. This is a chally mark there. Scratches. That's all right now. Yeah, it's not bad. Like, give you a tour of it. I'll show you inside it. So, you may see this is completely broke. This is really loose, completely loose. See, this is really loose right here. I'm not gonna mess with it. Tires are good. Some more tires. Suspension's good. It's got a lot of damage to it. Check the other side, see if there's any damage on the other side. And no, this side is totally fine. Just this side. See like a dent. Just this side. It has that broken jack right there. That broken jack. Airbag did not deploy. Wondering. Do have some inside damage. I think somewhere. Heard something break in the car. It's not total with surprise, but yeah. I think it was that. Windshield's good. Windows are fine. Don't worry about that, but right there. Mirrors are okay. Yeah. I'm not feeling good today because of the accident. I'm gonna have a hell of a day. I'm just playing. I have my problems. My sisters. I woke up kind of wrong, but no one was hurt. That's all that matters. And we got some roof. You hear that? That's damage. Damage something like right there. Because of this. This dent right here makes this car like this all day. Not all day, sometimes maybe. But and we do have a little video because my sister was on the phone at the time, so I can truly hear it. I'm just pressing on it. No pressure at all. Oh, pressure a little bit, pressure. Do have some damage. See, this is. See, look at that. But when the car we just hit Well, our car's pretty strong, but the car got hit over there. That red. Yeah, it's bad on that car, cause I don't know how we got less damage on this car. Look, you can actually see where the car. You see, yeah, you see that? The car damage. But I don't know how this car did not get no damage in that one over there. We actually hit the neighbor's car because they ran into our car. That car got completely jacked. I'm gonna show you a little bit. Try not to get caught. That should be good though. I'm just gonna walk over there to the car. There's a car over there, damaged up. Okay. Yeah. I don't know how this happened. I don't know how this car got damaged so bad, but I don't know how. Look at that. That's just horrible. Hey. That car is totally fine. Can't really tell if it's stolen or not. But the car's pretty beat up. I don't know how our car survived that collision. I didn't see the speed, you might be asking. Probably going like over 20 or something. The car was already kind of messed up before they hit us. It got way worse. Part of the bumper came off. See, the light was broke because they had it taped, right? See, actually, you can see ours. It's actually pretty loose too. See? You see it moving? I don't know if you can see that, but it's moving. All this thing. Well, it just happens, guys. Because this happens. Windshield is fine. Got some damage in there. I feel I can see that. Set up black. You don't see that metal piece right there? Out of position. So that's what makes it sound. That's why it makes that sound. So I'll catch you later. Peace.